Can you walk on bananas without slipping?
Level 1, bare feet. A police officer can do anything. Let's see. Level 2, fish shoes. Level 3, the world's smallest shoes. Oh, yo, those are pretty good. He's going. Level 4, flippers. New technique. Wait, what? Wait, he's making it. I got this. That was pretty good. Level 5, high heels. I don't want to get these wet. Yo, he's going. Level 6, nail shoes. If the police officer can make it all the way across,